Christy Alamo, registered dietitian and founder of Nutrition Coach for Life. This is an explanation of a digestive enzyme. The gastrointestinal tract is one of the largest systems in the human body. It is extremely active in carrying out the metabolic functions of secretion, digestion, absorption, and cellular reproduction. Enzymes are catalysts. They are the workers in the GI tract, and they bring about specific reactions at desired speeds. Enzymes are biologically active proteins made in your body. They're comprised of amino acids. Their role is to break down larger food particles into smaller, easy-to-absorb molecules. Without enzymes, it is impossible to effectively metabolize and receive essential nutrients from the foods we eat. Enzymes are a must for healthy digestion and metabolism. A deficiency in enzymes is a factor in disease and illness, and even fatigue. Digestive enzymes are secreted by the salivary glands, the stomach, the pancreas, and the small intestines. Their function is to digest our food so it can be absorbed through the small intestine and into the bloodstream. No food can be digested without enzymes, so your metabolism and your health depend on them. This has been an explanation of a digestive enzyme.